of us at IP Datatel want to welcome you to our training video for the hardwire and wireless BATs. The broadband alarm transceivers, commonly known as the BAT and WBAT, are compatible with Honeywell, DSC, and GE network alarm controls. The BAT transmits over the Internet. Alarm notifications are made by text, email, and/or computerized voice call. The BAT supports a full-featured virtual keypad that connects in just 5 seconds. And the hardwire BAT supports the Honeywell Compass download software. In this video, we are now going to illustrate a typical installation of the hardwire and wireless BATs for Honeywell alarm controls. Installing the BAT or wireless BAT is very simple. Here we have a typical hardwire BAT installation, and the connections are made to the keypad bus of the alarm control and your connection to the Internet. Installation of the wireless BAT should be made just outside of the alarm control. The wireless BAT is connected to the control's keypad bus. The WBAT will connect wirelessly to the gateway that is located near the customer's broadband internet connection. The gateway installation is discussed in a separate video, which demonstrates the pairing process that must be performed prior to the power-up of the WBAT. In this video, we will discuss 3 ways to program the BAT and WBAT. The first is the BAT or WBAT as a sole communicator and/or when using a Honeywell GSM. The second is the BAT or WBAT as primary with a backup digital dialer communicator. And the third is as a dual communicator, where the BAT or WBAT and digital dialer communicator transmit simultaneously. Here is the initial setup of how to program the BAT or WBAT and will serve as a sole communicator. Enter programming on the Vista panel. Enter *29 and enter 1. Then **. This enables the BAT to send signals. Enter *43, then enter the 4-digit account number. Enter *49, then enter 5. Enter *54, then enter 0. Enter *55, then enter 1. If your installation requires the monitoring of open and close signals, enter *65, then enter 1s across the board. Enter *66, then enter 1s across the board. Enter *193, which is keypad address 20. Enter 1 and 0 to enable the BAT as a virtual keypad for your smartphone. Enter *99 to exit the program. Here is how to make additional programming for the BAT or WBAT with a backup communicator. This is where the digital dialer communicator is secondary to the BAT or WBAT in the event the digital signal is not acknowledged. Enter programming on the Vista. In addition to the previous initial setup, enter *42. Then enter the 10-digit receiver telephone number. Enter *54, then enter a 2. Which creates a 30-second delay for the BAT to acknowledge receipt of an alarm signal before the digital dialer is activated to send an alarm as a backup. Enter *99 to exit the program. Here is how to make additional programming for the BAT or WBAT and digital communicator to have dual reporting. Enter programming on the Vista panel. In addition to the previous initial setup, enter *42, Then enter the 10-digit receiver phone number. Enter *54, then enter a 0, which creates no delay on alarm transmission of either the BAT or digital dialer. Enter *99 to exit the program. The BAT and WBAT delivers alarm control compatibility, incredible speed retransmitting signals over the internet, alarm notifications, provides a full-featured virtual keypad, and when using the wireless BAT, no internet connection wiring is necessary to the alarm control, saving you time on installations where wiring may be difficult to run. IP Datatel helps you power your business with state-of-the-art technology, where all of our products are built in the USA. Call us for expert advice for all of your alarm communications needs.